Ahoy there! We are off-grid bound. Our family is building an off-grid cabin and home at a gorgeous lake in North Vancouver Island. We have installed the roof rafters and started working on the plywood sheeting. Unfortunately, rain interrupted our work before we finished and we had to leave, but Jules kept himself busy while we were gone. We were only gone for 4 days and the sheeting on the roof is finished, the skylights are done, the barrier on the roof is installed, and we are seeing some great progress here inside, which is just in time. It can be hot and sunny like today and rain the next day. We really need to start moving things that can get wet or damaged by rain, things that can blow away in wind. All those things must be taken care of. Cindy couldn't care less, but the rest of us is working hard to make sure the roof metal can be installed. The fascia boards need to be painted, and someone, that would be me, must do quality control. You good there? When the metal roof panels finally get delivered, we are ready. Ahoy there! Today we will be installing these guys. It is starting to rain more often and winds are coming. So it's a high time to put everything under the roof. The last window on the top over there, that's now installed. The future bathroom window is installed. Let's see what's inside. It is looking fantastic. I'm really excited about having everything locked up, as they say. The fascias for the roof and the boards are now installed as well, so that's excellent. So we started unpacking the metal, moving it over there. Evan is here. He's master roofer, so he will be doing the professional job. It's gonna be a very busy day. After the pandemic, leading times for construction materials are very long and unpredictable. It was several weeks for the roof metal to be delivered. I still think it's a small miracle that we managed to get everything lined up, including the weather and the roofer's time. The roof is too important to leave it up to the amateurs. We are lucky to have found professionals to do this kind of work in this part of the world. I hope this is one of the last big jobs that I mostly watch and do small support tasks, such as preparing the materials, peeling the protective plastic off the roof panels, or break down the delivery pallets. I'm looking forward to take a more active part in the process. In the between times, I admire the efficiency of these guys, gained from their years of experience. Well, that was exciting. We have half of the roof, well, not completely done. There is still some flashings that need to be done on the side, but look at this. It's Sunday, the work on the roof continues. It's a beautiful day. The guys started working on the other side of the roof and it is just looking fantastic. I couldn't be more pleased. You may recall from a previous video that we've had some issues with windows. The windows are the wrong type. They are the sliding type. There is a window missing here. There is a window missing here. Apparently there are several months wait time for windows. We had to take them back and make a custom order for windows that would better fit the style of the cabin and our plans. I have received the news that the windows have arrived at the building supply in Victoria, 6 hours away. What better time to take a road trip and enjoy the beauty of Vancouver Island. Here we are at Slag in Victoria. We are picking up our windows. We just built our cage so that the windows, the 10 window panes are securely fastened here. Let's hope the windows will last only 6-7 hours, so that whatever it's going to be. By the time we got back, the weather has changed again. So there we are, windows delivered. We've been waiting for the windows to arrive to continue building up that wall over there. This weekend we should see some progress again, and hopefully by the end of it we'll have windows installed. This is how the construction site is starting to change into a house. There is still some work being done on the top. And here is the loft. We have assembled the stove, started burning it out on the outside because it's gonna smell for a little while, and we are almost ready to do the windows now. I think that Jules was the real founder of Cirque du Soleil, because this is what he does all day long, just at the edge of things. Shh. Uh-oh. Somebody's uptight. Last window.
Wow.
On the top. So the lakeside wall, all the windows are in. Excellent, it looks very nice.
Good morning, Jules. Oh, look, you're like big line behind you. Oh, you be quiet.
T'as fait qu'on douce, moi je suis au tout côté.
Yeah.
Arrête de se prendre, voilà. Hey, it's fixed. It's
Just don't break it now. All windows but one are installed. We are getting close to a lockup. Beautiful. Beautiful. With windows and doors installed, we have reached a milestone in the cabin project. We can now start working around the weather and be dry when the rains come. I hope you enjoy our journey, and if you do, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. The adventure has only begun. As always, thank you for watching. Until the next time, we are off-grid bound.